we were set up this year for the markets to kind of tank in the first half and then recover by the end of 2023. What's your view of the, medium to longer term of what happens in the S&P?
Well, markets never do what's obvious. That's always the tricky thing. So, I mean, I think we're rallying from mid-March lows, and I think that'll continue. As you mentioned a few minutes ago, we're up sort of 6-7% or so from those levels, and I think that'll continue throughout April. April's typically a good month. Risk appetite was very fearful in mid-March at the depths of that banking crisis. There was some policy response, and so positioning's got to change, and markets should rally, I think, through into May. That sort of time, but then I'd be much more concerned about equity markets. I think by then people have started to change their stance. I know people talk a bearish game, but if you look at some of the sentiment indicators, not all of them, there's quite a mixed signal, but some of them are actually at quite high levels compared to where they were back in October last year, when they were deeply fearful and bearish. So I think positioning's been moving. And I think we'll find, give it another month or so, that we're ready for a pullback. And I think it's going to be a tough second half. So we came into this year, as you said, with expecting a bad first half, better second half. I suspect it might be the other way around.